just perfect when the camera came on?
Honestly, I'm also working with friends, so the chemistry was not hard to achieve because we already know each other. And when you're like doing this or like doing this, you don't feel awkward. Usually when you first work with somebody and you don't know them very much, like there's a little bit of time to kind of break the ice. But over here it was fine because everybody was just on the same page and we were having so much fun. I think it's the most fun I've had working on a film.
Wow, that's a big statement. Kareena, what about you? I mean, you walk on, on the set. There are lots of people in there. Was this like one big party? Because it looks like that, but it's a very real film. I like the fact that so I was actually mentioning this. This is a fantastic star cast that has made a very real film. Normally, that doesn't happen always in the Indian film industry. You'll have a sugar-coated film. Let's put it this way. We could have had a sugar-coated version of this, but it's not. So
but we have all our real actors, Swara Bhaskar, Shikha Talsania. So like Sonam and me on our toes, no? Huh?
But were you surprised with the script? How, like literally, this is exactly what happens. And this is the new age that we live in. We like this kind of cinema. It's appreciated. But were you surprised?
When I read the script, actually, this film has gone back and forth. It's seen me pre-pregnancy, through the pregnancy. The role had changed to become pregnant because I think this was probably the only script that I read where I was like, I want to really do this movie. Because of the language of the film, the entire concept, the fact that I don't think there's ever been a movie about 4 friends, 4 strong women. And I'm just really happy to be a part of this ensemble cast.
I love some of the stunts. Those 2 of you falling with that crescent was fantastic. I hope it never happens to anyone's real wedding. Shikha, lots of great things your colleagues are saying about you and everyone's saying that she's the one to watch out for.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much.
But
I don't know about that.
So cute.
But thank you so much.
You had a blast, right, with them? Was there ever senior actor, almost as senior actor, a great actress? ऐसा चल रहा था कि set पे ever?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Really?
No. The minute we got onto set, we were all, in her terms, guffing.
Yeah.
And chilling.
Yeah.
And killing it.
Yeah.
And it was just great. I mean, what's lovely, I think, is that getting to work with people who've had so much experience behind them. They're very, very warm and very welcoming, and to collaborate with them was a dream come true. So it was amazing.
Well, it looks amazing as well.
Thank you.
I'm not going to leave you out, Swara.
Yeah, you have to ask me a question.
Obviously, because of, I know that Sonam and you are very good friends thanks to Insta stories and Twitter and everything. And it's so strange now. There is no my world and your world. Your world is everybody's world out there. The 2 of you together is quite a bit of a riot. But I'm actually a little surprised as to how this came out. When you came on board, this film has come out exactly as you envisioned or different?
Swaru, dying to know your answer.
Listen, first I just want to say that the highest point in this film for me was touching Kareena Kapoor. Which I have been wanting to do since.
Touching Kareena
Kapoor. I was like stalking.
It's one of your female fantasies
I was
then?
creep. I was like, Julia.
I got to dance with her, so that was a big thing for me.
And Sonam, of course, is I think post Sonam. पता नहीं उसने पिछले जन्म में क्या किया है कि मैं उसका पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रही हूँ किसी फिल्म में. And Shikha was a discovery. Shikha and me developed a code, like a language that only both of people thought we were fighting.
So the other 2 didn't understand what you were talking about?
No, they did. The other 2 know everything.
Achha, okay.
The other 2 know everything. Other people, director, producer. But I have to say that this film, for me, the acting was wearing clothes. I've never been so stressed out in any film. मैंने किसी film में इतनी मेहनत नहीं करी जितनी इस film में इनके थोड़ा आसपास लगने मतलब looks wise लगने के लिए मुझे करनी पड़ी है. So this film has been the greatest मेहनत for me.
Well, it looks fantastic. You all seem to be looking completely rocking. We'll leave it out for the house now. All the questions that you all want, you all know the drill. Where should we start from?
Hi. On your left.
And be nice, everyone. Just
hi, hi. Good, good. कैसे हैं आप? बेहतरीन ट्रेलर है. सवाल ये है कि जब शादी वर्ड आता है तो आपके जहन में क्या आता है? स्वरा आप शुरू करें और सोनम आप चारों से ये सवाल है मेरा.
स्वरा आप शुरू कीजिए.
शादी जैसे वीरे दी वेडिंग है यहाँ पे तो वेडिंग शब्द आते ही जहन में क्या चलता है?
Swara, we start with you.
जिसकी सबसे कम चांसेस है शादी होने की उसी से पूछ लो पहले. मेरे जहन में तो मेरा भाई आता है, मेरा रियल भाई जिसकी अभी शादी हुई है 1 महीने पहले. बस.
करीना?
I have an answer but I don't want to say it.
We're getting warmer.
Sonam.
ऐसे होने चाहिए दोस्त.
Party.
एंड सोनम?
मेरे पहले मतलब लोकेशंस जो चेंज होते रहते हैं मुझे पता नहीं. आई थिंक वीरे दी वेडिंग, बिकॉज जब आपकी दोस्त की या सहेली की कोई शादी होती है तो आप मतलब जिसकी शादी है उसको ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आता है, पर जो लोग उसके साथ हैं उनको सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. तो मेरे जो दोनों भाई जो मेरे दो वीर है, उनकी शादी हो गई है, मोहित और अक्षय. तब हमने बहुत मज़ा किया, बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत खाया हमने, बहुत डांस किया, और फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सब एक साथ मिलके बहुत मतलब बॉन्डिंग ज़्यादा होती है. तो मुझे लगता है कि बॉन्डिंग होती है, यू अंडरस्टैंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट अदर पीपल एंड योरसेल्फ थ्रू अ प्रोसेस ऑफ अ वेडिंग.
एंड वीरे, इसमें वीर इन जनरल कहा जाता है पंजाब में, वीरे वीरे लड़के को. फिल्म में कैसे वीरे को?
bros, dude, we are bros.
वी आर ब्रोस. थैंक यू.
जी, yeah, वीरे दी वेडिंग 1st of June.
करीना थैंक यू सो मच. और सोनम आपको दोहरी बधाई. और करीना थैंक यू इसलिए क्योंकि शादी की बात आपने शुरू की और शादी के बाद पे आपको सोनम का ख्याल आता है. तो अब पूरा ट्रेलर शादी 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 और पूरे न्यूज़पेपर में शादी शादी और सोनम की शादी. तो सोनम
अभी
इसलिए
हम करीना की शादी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. कालिंदी की शादी, कालिंदी के कपड़े बहुत अच्छे थे फिल्म में.
हर कोई जानना चाहता है क्या कुछ हो रहा है, जो होने वाली दुल्हन है वो क्या सोच रही है, क्या कुछ चल रहा है मन में. तो जो आप बता सकती हैं प्लीज बताएं.
Because हम यहाँ वीरे दी वेडिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मैं ज्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ. So and मैंने I've decided to just stick to वीरे दी wedding.
Sonam, we know that obviously it is Veere Di Wedding का trailer long because but then बहुत सारे fans हैं जो ये और आपसे मुलाकात बहुत कम होती है हमारी. तो something 7th मई को है, 8th मई को है.
अच्छा, ये कार्ड
और
ना
कहाँ हो रही
आई
है?
प्रॉमिस मैं भिजवा दूंगा, है ना? अगर आया तो I'm sure I'll get one card
All
something
in
like this.
good
है ना?
time, I promise.
Yeah.
Everybody will know everything and all in good time. But अभी time नहीं है, correct time नहीं है. I've had a very good relationship with the media. और जो भी होता है मैं मतलब everything will be all in good time. Thank you so much though for keeping your patience. Thank you.
हाय करीना जी, आपके लेफ्ट में.
Okay, we go to Veere Di wedding. Yeah.
Swara,
You can give
Swara
a detailed.
Swara should answer
We'll
this
take out a
question.
detailed press note from this on this. But anybody on Veere?
करीना जी
No?
आपके लेफ्ट में यहाँ. करीना जी आपके लेफ्ट में यहाँ.
Top left.
हाय. करीना जी आपके पास क्योंकि शादी का एक्सपीरियंस भी है तो कुछ टिप्स शादी से
तुमने शादी नहीं की, शादी में एक्सपीरियंस की क्या बात है?
शादी हो
It's the
गई ना
most
आपकी.
normal thing.
मीन्स कि शादी से पहले क्या कुछ फीलिंग होती है, वो कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप सोनम जी को?
अच्छा,
कुछ टिप्स तो देती होंगी ना आप शादी से पहले की.
फिल्म में टिप्स चाहिए तेरे को?
हाँ जी,
फिल्म में?
फिल्म की बात कर लीजिए.
अच्छा चलो फिल्म की बात कर लेते हैं. फिल्म में क्या टिप्स दे रहे हैं इन लोगों को, है ना?
हाँ जी चलिए.
दोस्त क्या टिप्स देते हैं दोस्तों को
हाँ जी,
जब उनकी शादी हो रही थी वीरे दी वेडिंग में,
करेक्ट.
है ना?
हाँ जी.
तो यहाँ तो खुद बोल रही है इनको शादी जो होने वाली है दोस्तों के बिना होगी. वो मैंने उसको चेंज कर दिया, कैंसिल करके नया क्वेश्चन बना दिया. Okay.
सोनम जी.
We'll move on to another one.
Hi, Karina. This is Faridun from Balangama
right
on your
here.
right. Hi. Outstanding promo. I think all four of you you're looking outstanding. I think especially the language is wonderful. It's very colorful and that's a bit surprising.
Colloquial language.
Yeah, colorful and colloquial. All right. I think Karina, you're looking outstanding. A lot of your fans, you have a huge fan following, and they'd love to see much more of you in movies. So when are the new announcements? Because I think you're looking maybe the best in your career, maybe as of now.
Thank you, but I'm still thinking about it. I want to just do this movie to release, and I wanted to do this film. I haven't thought about what I'm going to do next. So let's see. I mean, Taimur is still 16 months. I've given a lot of time to Veere also, and I'm going to be busy promoting. So I need another 2-3 months after Veere to decide as to what I want to do. But I promise to do at least 1 or 2 films a year. Yay.
I want to know the gym routines
Whoa,
of you
boss
guys.
girl, boss girl, boss girl.
I want to know the gym routines of all you guys. Look at how fit you all are looking. So we start with you. Morning, afternoon, evening, night?
Swara,
Yoga?
please
जिस
tell us.
इंसान ने जिम का अंदर का शक्ल ही नहीं देखा पिछले 6-8 महीने से
तो क्या
जब से
इस-
वीरे की शूटिंग
So are you
खत्म
saying
हुई
that
है
you don't put on any weight and that, it doesn't matter at all because of that and that's why you're looking so fit and
No.
toned?
Swara has
no
the best legs.
I'm
And-
starving myself yeah I'm
In a
doing
good way.
unhealthy things
Acha.
मेरी इनको देखो ना जिम गॉडेस
Yes,
Gym
we're
goddess
coming
is
next to
here.
that. But we see you mostly outside the gym. So what happens inside the gym? We see all those pictures. Is a lot of hard work
The
going in there?
results are here for people to see.
I agree with that. I agree.
She has abs, guys. She has abs. I just want to tell everybody right now. This was
Rubbish.
Shikha and me have looked at each other and said, cuts ho rahe.
Is food a discussion on the set?
Yes.
Of a Veeredi wedding?
Only. That's the only thing
Iske
that's
ghar-
happening.
Your house apparently has brilliant food. Is there always bringing khana?
We were in Delhi. I want you to know, we have this girl called Riya Kapoor on this film and another girl called Kareena Kapoor Khan on this film. Their morning starts कि अच्छा चलो breakfast खा लिया अभी lunch के लिए क्या खाएंगे breakfast खाने के वक्त lunch खाने के बाद अच्छा lunch हो रहा है बहुत ये dinner का क्या होगा dinner के time हम breakfast के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
That's a very Kapoor
It's a
thing.
Kapoor thing. मतलब it's
We
only
have
food.
to discuss food.
Only food. मतलब and
Those who love food will always
but
discuss
it was
it.
torture because I was supposed to be dieting and these people were only talking about food and eating and कुछ लोग शिकायत भी लगा रहे थे
yeah, we
कुछ लोग शिकायत भी लगा रहे थे रिया कपूर को जब मैं मैगी खा रही थी
So who's the chugli? Is that? No.
ये
Acha,
सत्यवादी
oh.
सत्यवादी हरिश्चंद्र जो हमारे बीच में थे and then when I said कि have you complained about me so Kareena ji is like yeah I have to tell the truth I'm like thanks
Okay, I'm going to open out again.
Hello.
Swara, friends
Hi,
are
Kareena and
family.
Sonam.
There's a tag
Sorry, one sec,
there. Friends
we-
are family.
Yeah.
There's a tag. Swara, what do you have to, your take on this? And also after doing this movie.
on friends or family oh I think it's I mean I think that I think I need to make more friends after doing this film I realized that I may not have enough friends I think it was a great experience and I don't think that I've ever actually felt this level of friendship and fun and bonding as on any film as I have on this one so it was great apart from the tension of the looks and the clothes it was great fun
Hi.
Friends like family.
I think that's the spirit of the film, and I'm happy that everyone's going to finally get to see what we've done because I think it's come out very naturally, very real, lots of fun, and yeah, I mean, I'm happy that I worked with my friends, and I hope we can always maintain this friendship, for the years to come.
Hi, Kareena. This is
One
Urvi
s-
here
one
to your
sec, wait.
left.
On the left, yeah.
Hi.
friends.
Are you going to each person? Okay. Shikha.
Pretty much what they said. And it's just very articulating it correctly. I think we've come to friends are so important that they're like your family. And it'll be lovely if our family were like our friends. And I think we've tried to capture that spirit, hopefully, in this film. So.
You don't choose your family, but you can choose your friends. And, and obviously I love my family to death. But my friends hold a really special part because you don't really don't choose your family, but you really choose your friends and you understand who's there for you, who's not there for you. And, and this was a revelation because I obviously worked with my sister, who's my family and my best friend. And I also worked with some of my closest friends who are sitting on the stage. And you realize at the end of the day, when push comes to shove, your friends are always there for you. Yeah. So I also have to thank Bebo for doing this film because it's.
Was there a friend's
she's
discount in there?
Yeah. No, she's always been a
Not
friend.
at all.
Not at all. We've always been friends. But she's she's been extremely graceful and amazing and incredible to work with with all of us, we've had just an amazing time working with her. Just the way she's been open and kind and she's such a progressive, amazing person and such an incredible actor. And we are trying to still convince her to join social media. That, yeah.
All right, we go there.
Kareena, this is Urvi here to your left. Hi. When you signed this film, that time you were pregnant and then there was a
No, actually I wasn't pregnant. The journey started there.
Okay, so there was this whole lot of change that happened in your personal life. So how did that affect when you were shooting for your film, and what sort of changes did you go through, and how did you manage with Taimur while shooting for this film?
Were they asking boys? Have they asked them this?
Yeah, I mean, I think that, you know, I mean, I very lucky to have, I think, a husband who is so understanding. Because apart from, of course, my producer Ria, who actually stood by me, because this film, I signed this film actually before I got pregnant. I had to call her up 2 months later that I am pregnant and she needs to take someone else. But I think the fact that they decided that, you know, they want to go with me still, we changed the character to be pregnant. And then I was like, you know, I can't do this and it's really difficult, so we should go with someone else. But I think it was Ria's conviction, and she was like, no, I think let's just wait. And I think all of them have been so supportive towards me for actually waiting. And then after that, I think it's Saif who kind of pushed me and said, I think you should hit the gym and get back to the studio and take your son with you and, you know, set an example to a lot of mothers that, you know, it is possible that you can do it. And I think it's, you know, I think it's been touchwood good till now. So let's see, I don't know what the next step is going to be, but this journey has been beautiful.
स्वरा, मेरा सवाल वैसे आप सबसे है, जैसे जो ट्रेलर में हमने देखा कि शादी को लेकर के एक किस्म का डर दिखाया जा रहा है कि मतलब अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे है, शादी हो रही है तो कैसे कैसे प्रेशर्स होते हैं. आप लोग मतलब करीना आप शादीशुदा हैं, कैसा आप लोग सोचते हैं शादी कितना एक लड़की के लिए मतलब एक प्रेशर होती है या किस तरह का दबाव होता है, कैसे आप लोग सोचते हैं शादी को लेकर के? आप सबसे सवाल.
I think you can kill this answer.
Take off. मैं बिल्कुल I mean मुझे लगता है कि इस फिल्म में बहुत एक अच्छी और ख़ास चीज़ ये है कि हमने बिल्कुल जो रियल है, जो पॉसिबल है, जो लड़कों के लिए पॉसिबल है, वही लड़कियों के लिए पॉसिबल है, ऐसा दिखाया है. तो हमने कहीं पे शादी को लेकर लोगों के अलग अलग रिएक्शंस हो सकते हैं और हमने वही दिखाया है. मेरे को पर्सनली लगता है कि शादी एक पर्सनल चॉइस होनी चाहिए. एक ज़माना था हमारे देश में जहाँ पे शादी ज़रूरी था, एक ऑलमोस्ट नेसेसरी लाइफ चॉइस था. चॉइस भी नहीं था बहुत लोगों के लिए, वो एक मतलब बस था, वो करना था. आई थिंक अब वो बदल रहा है. कई ज़्यादा लड़कियों के लिए शादी एक रियल सेंस में चॉइस बन रहा है, जो कि अच्छी बात है. लड़कों के लिए भी होना चाहिए, सबके लिए पर्सनल चॉइस होनी चाहिए.
Honestly, ये film है, it's about 4 girls at different stages of their marital status. तो एक की शादी हो रही है, एक की शादी हो गई है, एक का divorce हो रहा है और एक की शादी हो रही नहीं है. तो there are like 4 girls who are just at an uncertain age, like we said, at an uncertain time. और it's a revelation. There are lots of बहुत ही entertaining film है, बहुत ही funny film है, पर बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दे हैं फिल्म में जो बहुत आसानी से आपको दिखाई देंगे, पर बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग वे में दिखाई देंगे, पर डायलॉग और कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत अच्छे रियल. हाँ,
करीना, शिखा एंड सोनम, आप लोग की क्या राय है इसी सेम सवाल पे?
मैंने अभी बोल दी, अभी बेबो आप बोलिए.
In order it has to go. But, would you have asked this question to a guy? Because they also have pressures of marriage, yaar. They are also married. It's not that कि औरत को ही pressure होता है. I'm sure, I mean, you know, in today's time, we're sharing everything. We're sharing responsibility. We're sharing our lives together. So we'll share the pressures also. Why just the women?
You know, I have a question. So if you see for the longest time, whenever we've seen friendship films or buddy films, it's always been from a male perspective, mostly. There has been, Dil Chahta Hai, and then, you know, Pyar Ka Panchnama, or Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. This is, and you kind of changed it with Aisha. There was a kind of change, and after Aisha, there's been nobody who has taken up that baton of doing films like that. This is coming after so many years. Do you think this will bring in a revolutionary change in the mindset of people, or will, in Bollywood, will we see more films
Aisha
like
was
that?
not a friendship film. I mean, it was a film about a girl and her friends. But this film is an ensemble film, it's about each girl's journey. So each of us have an equally important story to tell. It's obviously about Kalindi Bebo's character who's getting married, and it's like her perspective and everything like that. But this is it is a story about friendship. It's a story about girls, and I don't think a film like this has been made before. It has not been made before, where it's entertaining, it is fun, it's got romance, it's got dance, it's got drama, it's got everything. And why can't female women headline a commercial film about girls which says something, which has a story? Why not? And I think this is going to bring about a change. If hopefully with the support of everybody this film does well, I hope to God it brings about a change in the kind of roles that have been written for us.
Also, you know, Sonam, you had also gone on record saying that when you were pitching this film to producers, people wanted to reduce the prices of the film because it was a female-centric film. Do you think that is going to change with this, and how important is it for the film to work for that progression to come? And also to Kareena, both of you.
Bebo, you want to answer that?
No, Sonam is going to answer.
Delhi bahut dur hai. Bahut kaam hai. You know, I think there's a very, very, very long way off before any of that happens. But we're trying, and people like Kareena are setting an example, you know. And you. No, but yeah, okay, maybe to a certain extent. But I look at Kareena and I'm like, okay, she got married, she was on set, she was working. You would never ask a man, like there are stories that are coming out, iski shaadi ho rahi hai, will she be working, she's giving up her life and going here and going there. Will they ever say that ki this Shahid Kapoor ki shaadi ho gayi, kisi ne pucha ki is he going to work or not work? You know, so if you have someone like Kareena Kapoor who has gone straight onto set after her wedding, she's gotten pregnant, had a baby and straight gone to work. Nobody will ask a man these questions. Nobody will ask any man this question, but why is it a woman is always asked this question? So that is something, this is a mindset, this misogynistic mindset is what needs to change. And hopefully with films like this, maybe something changes, you know. And I think hopefully if this film does well, which touch wood, we all are hoping and praying that it does, because it's important for a film like this to do well, so that we as women get our space, get our, you know, we break the glass ceiling some way or the other.
Kareena, hello. Kareena.
Yeah, on the right here.
Kareena,
one sec. So we'll go left and right first.
Hi.
Here.
From carrying on from there, like, why do you think we don't have many films on female bonding? Because few months back we have had Georgia with Richa and Kalki. So same question was raised that why don't we have films on female bonding, like the way we have male bonding films?
So sorry. Shikha just told us what film it is. I haven't seen it. Shikha, answer this question. Yeah, Shikha, answer this question.
Sorry, can you
It's a
please
film
repeat
that
the
didn't do well
question?
box office wise, but that's all. So what basically she said was Richa and Kalki had done a film which was about female bonding. Similar questions were asked, and they also had their points of view. So what she's asking is, why do you think that's the point? Why is, yes, it's far off, but why are they not making it?
I don't know. I think the fact that we're making films with women, by women, I think our audience is hungry for those real films, and to see different perspectives and relatable films and real films with real women. So I think it's changing slowly but steadily. It's changing.
Well, I think that a lot of why this film got made is because there are two female producers sitting behind it. This film is made, a lot of the push and drive for this film is Riya Kapoor and Ekta Kapoor. And of course, Anil sir and Shobha ma'am and so everyone. But Riya and Ekta are really the driving forces behind this film. So I think that question needs to be asked to producers.
Guys,
That question needs to be asked to male and female producers, but male producers because they've held the reins of the industry for so long. And that question needs to be asked to male writers and directors. That why were not stories like this written before? And Nan, to come back to your thing, I really hope this film does well. I think it will do well, and I think it will change everything from prices to trajectories to the kind of stories we see. And I think that it's 2018, and the fact that this is the first time that there is a film about 4 girls being friends and not falling in love with the same guy. I think we deserve a clap for that.
Swara, see, I was waiting for you to take off. Yeah.
Zindabad!
You made you made it. You made the press con.
Listen, I have a question. I said there's this great... Well, you all don't ask about the film now, so I have to come back into it. No?
आप और शादी की बात करो ना, अभी शादी की बात
Okay.
करो. अभी सवाल ये पूछिए.
You understand that I'm mediating, so I have to come in between only then. Go ahead. yeah.
Karina and Sonam,
Okay,
towards
anyone can answer this question. You know, obviously the trailer is looking really great, but it does has a bit of bold dialogues. How about the censor board? What sort of cuts have you guys been asked, or what are you expecting?
मैं तो जा रही हूँ.
I'll tell you something. This question is better asked to the producers of the film. They are not here right now. There's a reason they didn't come, I think.
आपको पता है ना, actors have nothing to do with censor board.
But we don't know. We hope because there is nothing that's objectionable in this film.
Hi, Karina.
Also,
Sonam, towards your right.
One second. Let it complete.
Also, recently Saroj Khan made an unsavory comment, on casting couch existing in Bollywood, and she compared it to a rape. What would you like? What would you guys
Shikha
like
is
to
going
say?
to answer this question. No.
Entirely bad is what she said. And yesterday, Ranbir Kapoor had said that he didn't know about the existence of a casting couch, but if it is there, then it's the worst thing. I mean, and a lot of the media, was upset that he was laughing about it, etc. So this has become the talking point. And Swara, yes, if you could take this question.
This question is made for you. You
I mean,
have
why
to
is
take it.
casting couch being asked of me? Like, what is this? What is the
Give your
meaning of
take.
this? I mean, what is the question? Like, what is there to ask about? I mean, it's.
No, this.
बाबा आदम को भी मलाइन कर दो. बाबा आदम का भी छीछा लेदर साथ में.
तो आपको बोलना है yes or no कि exist करता है कि नहीं करता है, बस ये जवाब देना है. और उसमें no.
What do you have to say about Saroj Khan's
यार सबसे पहले तो मैं बोलूंगी इसका वीरे दी वेडिंग से कोई लेना देना
Yes.
नहीं है, ठीक है. और मुझे लगता है कि हमें जो सारे सवाल हैं वो वीरे दी वेडिंग तक ही सीमित रखने चाहिए.
बस now I will move to the last question.
के बात करेंगे.
एक second, this one last question over here.
But
Yeah.
all these questions, honestly, I have something to say. Every question that is not relating to the film, I promise you, Swara or me, or I don't know about Shikha. Shikha, have you done this before? But I'm just saying that we will answer all of this on a one-on-one basis. Because right now, we are trying to keep the focus on this. Because the next headline shouldn't be say, Swara Bhaskar nahi hai, Saroj Khan ke bare mein bola. That should not be the headline.
मेरे ट्विटर टाइमलाइन पे आ जाओ आप.
Exactly, Swara.
Twitter,
The
no,
fact
we
that
no. We will talk about it. I promise you, we will talk about it on one-on-one. Swara and I have the same PR, and so does Bebo. We all have our own PR. Chandani is here. Rohini is here somewhere. Ro, where are you? And we will talk about it personally on our personal time, because these are questions that are not related to the film right now.
Swara's answering this question she said on Twitter anyway. No?
Exactly, Swara. And the fact that, Amazon kind of deleted your retweet, it's about your Twitter timeline.
Chandni,
Who is messing my career with this question? Where are you?
Would you like to take that, please?
Yeah, I wouldn't like to take that question here at all.
Done.
I don't want to. I don't think we should divert focus from this film. This is a really special film. It's an important film, and I think that let's keep the focus on this film because it's necessary that this film get the relevant attention.
We got 17 minutes in without those bits, right? So that's not
Hello.
too bad. I'm going to finish off. Yeah, one second. Hang on, guys.
Hi, Karina.
Wait,
Sonam,
Baba, one
towards
second.
your right. Hi,
Yeah.
Priyanka from Indian Express. The trailer looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. I wanted to know from both of you, how liberating was it for you, for both of you to not have a male co-star and be surrounded by female co-stars and have your own space, own that
I have
space?
to tell you something. I used to make a joke to Poonam. I used to say, "This is my favorite hero I've ever worked with. It's Kareena Kapoor." I'm telling you, it's the easiest thing to work with other women. Unfortunately, our conditioning is such that people expect women to pull other women down and, compete with each other, because obviously divide and rule, right? So what's amazing is to actually all work towards the same goal of making the best possible version of something. So if everybody bands together, literally, girls, we can rule the world.
Karina?
Hello.
Karina, your
Hello.
opinion on the same? Karina?
I think that it was brilliant. I've been a part of a lot of ensemble films. But I think this was very, very special. And that's the reason I wanted to be a part of it. Because I don't think a lot of mainstream actresses want to be paired with other girls. I think it's always like, I have worked with Salman, Amir, Shah Rukh, everyone. Everyone wants to work with them. But the fact is that I really wanted to be a part of this movie and, you know, work with Sonam and Swara and Shikha and everyone and just, you know, feel like a teammate, a team player. And it's really taught me actually to get out of that, you know, commercial typical zone of being, you know, a part of those big Bollywood movies and be a part of a film and, you know, play a character. So I think it's been a learning experience for me.
Karina, also
Hello,
have
मेरा
to
सवाल
ask you that
One second, I'm just going to jump across and finish off with one. Yeah, okay, hang on. One second.
Karina, there have been rumors that you have been offered Salute, which is Rakesh Kumar's biopic. So would you like to say something about that?
Whatever film I choose, I'll definitely let everyone know, but at the right time.
Okay, thank you.
हेलो मेरा सवाल
One last
सोनम,
question,
करीना
yeah.
और स्वरा आप तीनों से है। फिल्में जब रिलीज होती हैं किसी सेलिब्रिटी की तो जाहिर सी बात है एक कोई ना कोई इन्फ्लुएंस जरूर क्रिएट करती है सोसाइटी में, लेकिन जब रियल लाइफ में एज अ सेलिब्रिटी जब कोई सेंसिटिव मुद्दा जब आता है, जब आपको रिएक्ट करना होता है, तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी होती है एक सेलिब्रिटी के लिए? आप तीनों का कोई रिएक्शन अगर हो?
सबसे जिम्मेदार हम में से करीना जी।
प्लीज।
This question also on Twitter timeline.
बेसिकली हमने ये देखा था कि हाल ही में वेरी सैड इंसिडेंट हुआ था और आप तीनों ने रिएक्ट किया था उस पर।
So I'm going to answer this question on everybody's behalf. As celebrities, we have a platform, and if we feel something for a certain subject, we will react on it. You know, we get our free bags and free shoes because we're celebrities, but if there's something that's affecting society in some way, we will talk about it. Now, whether we should talk about it on this platform at this point where I feel we are creating a film that might change the mindsets of people and this might divert from that, I don't know if that's all right, but I don't think we've ever shied away from supporting anything that we believe in.
But at the same time,
Thank you.
I think that gets it, bro. That was 6 of the bouncer. Okay, so we're going to wrap up and we just do a little photo op in the end, guys. Okay, we're done. Thank you.